Introduction to C. C is the programming language developed at AT and T's Bell Laboratory of US in 1972. It was it was designed and written by a man named Dennis Rich in the late 70s. C began to replace the more familiar language of that time like PLIAL, etc. ANSI is a standard simulations in early 1980. This book was separate into two titles. The origin was still called Programming in C. The title that covered ANSI was called Programming is ANSIC. This was done because it took several years for compiler one vendors to release their ANSIC compiler for them to become ubiquitous. It was initially designed for programming Unix operating system. Now software tools as well as C compiler is written in C. Major part of popular uh, operating system like Windows, Unix, Linux is still written in C. This is because even today when it comes to perform speed of execution, nothing beats C. Moreover, if one is to extend the operating system to work with new device, one need to write device driver program. Those programs are active writing in C. C seem to popular it because it reliable, simply and easy to use. Often hardened today is C is the has been already supercoded made by language like C. C has Java. There is a close analogy between learning English language and learn C. Learning the classical method of learning English is to first learn the alphabet used in language, then learn to combine those alphabet to form words, which is turn are combined to form sentence or sentence combination of form paragraphs. Learn C is similar is an instance of straight way learn how to write a program. We must first know what alphabets, number, space, symbols are required use in C, then how use them constantly. Variables and keywords are constrained, and finally how are those combined form instruction. A group of instruction would be combined later on to form a program. So a computer program is just collection of instructions need to solve a specific problem. The basic operations of a computer system form what is known as the computer instruction set, and approach or method that is used to solve the program is called algorithm. So for a program language consists of two types: low-level language, high-level language. Low-level language are machine level and assemble level language. In machine level language, computer only understand digit number, example in the form of 0 or 1. So interaction given to the computer is in the form binary digit, which is difficult to implement instruction in binary code. This type of program is too portable, difficult to maintain, and also error prone. The assembling language is, on other hand, a modified version of machine language level language where instructions are given in English